Everybody, welcome to PDQ Live. Today, we've got a great show for you. Starting off with a web console demo that I'm really excited about. And then we're also going to jump into some community awards.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
Where to find help for PDQ products.
Yeah, we have a lot of new people.
There's a ton of new people.
A ton.
I learned that there's over 5,000 people in Discord.
I think we're like 5,300 or something.
Just
what
about. Pretty close. 52-ish something right in between there.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe I'll get in more. I won't.
You'll what? Yes, you will.
I just wanted to get you excited.
You're a secret little Discord stalker.
I do.
Who are you kidding? I caught him the other day, you guys. I caught him.
I'm a lurker.
He's a lurker. I was answering someone's help when Andrew was out, and I didn't put all of Josh's answers because I actually needed clarification, and he caught me.
I did.
He's a lurker. He's a secret lurker.
I was like, hey, if you're going to copy paste my answer, at least copy the whole darn thing.
Yep. So anyway, we thought it might be a good idea, and when I say we, I mean Kelly, that we kind of take you around where to find help should you be new.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that.
And then we've got some IT horror stories. It's a 2-sentence, right? IT horror stories. And some of them I got a good chuckle out of.
Yeah, exactly.
But should we jump right in? Do we have announcements?
Kelly, do we have announcements?
I don't think we do.
I don't think we have announcements today.
Let's get into this thing then.
Well, the announcement is basically what we're going to be showing.
Yeah, it is.
So, yeah, we're good.
I think we just like to hear Kelly's voice.
No. We do. It is comforting, especially like if I'm like, I don't know what we're going to talk about next. Let's just get Kelly to talk.
Yeah. Kelly, can you just talk to us today? Because we're tired.
Your innies enjoy sleep.
We do. Oh, my gosh.
All right. So, new major version of SmartDeploy.
It is major.
Right. And the major feature here is a new web console.
Yeah. So there's a new version and a new web console. So we're going to kind of go over both of them. And it's like the biggest release that they've ever done, actually. So it's twofold. So Drew is going to include this article that kind of talks about everything. So it's 2-part, like I said, new release. So we're just going to walk through this quickly and then I'll show you. This is the web console. Actually, that's a spoiler. Never mind. We're not going to walk through that.
I was going to say spoiler alert.
That's a spoiler alert. Sorry. Let's go.
Don't show me it on a document. Show me it live.
Okay. Sorry. This is what the new console looks like. Okay.
This is the new installed console.
Yep.
Look at the cool little banner on top.
I know. It's cute, right? So think of this as your central console. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through the new setup in plain terms. So this is my local install of SmartDeploy. And it looks very similar to the old one. You have a new color. It's purple now, right? So, I mean, if you already have it.
Or is that blue?
I don't know. It's purplish.
Okay.
Let's get into an argument about it, though, because we like that.
I don't know color.
So you'll see the sidebar is the same, right? There's some major things that are different, but primarily the colors are different. Yeah, it's blurple. Thanks, Jay. Thank you. Okay. And then you'll see up here, preview the new web console experience. Okay. When you click on that, it's going to prompt you to open a browser, right?
I would hope so.
Yes, exactly. So web console. So the thing I want to clarify quickly here is this is a local web console. So meaning?
So like you install the new version, it installs a local web server onto the machine that is hosting SmartDeploy. And now that machine can have incoming connections, right? So like in the URL bar here, we have localhost : 8080, replace localhost with your favorite, or the address, not your favorite, but the actual machine name. Probably your favorite because it's got SmartDeploy on it. And then you can get to it.
Multiple admins. Multiple. That's the point.
Keep, remember, port number here. Pesky firewalls get in the way. Just double check, make sure.
Yeah, but I think the thing to really focus on is before one person could access the central console. Now multiple admins can access.
And no more RDP.
Exactly.
You just live in a browser.
Yeah. So you live in a browser. Exactly. So this is a replica of the central console. So everything that I could access on the central console, I can now access via the web console.
Yeah. There's a question from Rob. It's not, the same as relative. Yeah, it was released. It was like, here's a beta. Let's get some feedback about it. We, got put out, we got the feedback, and now here it is. Feedback incorporated.
It is a little bit different. In fact, They literally rolled it out late yesterday. It's a little bit different from the version that I installed yesterday. So you might see some changes. It is hot off the presses, is what I'm going to tell you.
Yeah. Like Tara was installing this at like 5 o'clock last night.
I really was. But they've made some really good changes since the beta version. So I'm just going to go over like high level of what it does. And then, like I said, they've attached some guidelines for you.
The two big ones here that I think is obviously Web Console.
Yes.
Second big one that I see as a big one is distribution points.
Yeah. So let's go over the distribution points as I just
Mike, I love that. It's different because it works now.
Thank you. All right. So here's the web console, and you just note it looks a little bit different, right? But again, the same functionality is
same like general look and feel. Like if you're familiar with the installed console, you're going to be right at home here.
Exactly. So here's my devices, and now my devices live and interact with the central console.
Yes.
Okay, that's important.
Yep. That's like the control plane.
Yes, that's a control plane. So you'll see they're all right here. And this is the functionality is a little bit different. Here are my devices, right? If I click on Cocoa Pebbles, like it's mad about something, right? I come over here to actions. I can take action from this side pane here. So Cocoa Pebbles actually
remote wipe.
Yeah, let's wipe it right here on it. That's just our DNI server, but it's fine. This one is eligible for a Windows 11 upgrade. So I could do it. No, I could do it right here, right from the web console. So that's amazing.
Nice.
So
that's
me
amazing.
Or any member of my team could do it right here from the web. So this is a little bit different than you'll see in the central console. Now, let's look at the biggest difference, which is going to be these distribution points right here. Okay, so you can access those a couple ways. If I come down here to the sidebar, you'll see them right here. So I can click on them here. And we did have the cloud brokers before. Distribution points are a little bit different. You'll see them right here. I can click on them here too. Here's the ones I did. And the most logical way to think about these, in my opinion, is by location.
Yeah, it's geolocation. Images are big files.
They are.
Right? They're big files. So now that you've got multiple admins, think like multiple locations, can access the console from a single location.
Yep.
You could see where you could get in a point where, technician in Seattle is interacting with the web console there, but deploying images to Denver.
Yeah.
That could take a minute.
Yeah. You want to save your bandwidth.
Now it's like, all right, why don't we get some distribution points? Now we've got like centralized access. Let's break apart where the files come from to distribution points and be intelligent about it, right? Keep those big files close and fast.
But not only that, what if Seattle buys Dell's and Denver buys a different one? You want to put your platform packs where they go.
Yeah.
So the resources that are attached to a certain location, why not just put them there?
Yeah. That's
kind of the idea. So think of the distribution points as file cabinets for the resources associated with those devices.
Go to the local file cabinet.
Exactly. There you go. Exactly. So right here, I could just make a distribution point. You'll see that I made some location specific for us.
Yep.
So you can drag and drop or you can't drag and drop. I'm sorry. You can allocate your resources accordingly.
Yeah. That makes sense to me.
That's the gist of it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah, I think the only thing that's still kind of living between stuff is answer files, right?
Yes, exactly.
But answer files are, they're text files.
Yeah, and they're just like the glossary or they're more of like an encyclopedia. You build them together.
Yeah.
They're the guide to deployment.
Yeah. I think it's awesome. I think it's like a huge quality of life upgrade.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a huge upgrade.
This is massive.
Yeah, it's massive. But again, including the guide so you can walk through it on your own and do all the fun little updates. Love it.
Love it too. All righty. Thanks for the tour, Tara.
Sure.
It's amazing. Especially for 5 o'clock last night, getting it done.
It was a little bit of a rush, but yeah, we did it. We pulled it. So
I guess that just speaks to how easy it was to do it, right?
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Okay. I think we're on to...
What's next? Hold on. I can go over here. We're definitely not rushing.
It's Discord Awards.
Discord Awards. Yay. Okay, Andrew, are you here?
I'm here and I'm grooving. What's up?
Are you? No. Oh, yeah, look at that. You got the head bob going.
What's he listening to? Kelly, do it. Kelly.
Oh, wow. Listen to the beat. Feel the beat of the rhythm of the night. Glorious stuff on the Miami Sound Machine. I love it.
I love that. Oh, right. I'm going to answer Luke's question real quick. Yes, SmartDeploy can image computer on Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Doesn't even have to be on the same network. Could be on totally at home.
And you saw we could have upgraded that machine to Windows 11 because Josh is an agent of chaos. We just didn't because that's probably not a great idea live. But yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Of course you can.
Alrighty.
All right, Andrew, we had a very, very busy month in Discord. It was very busy.
It was a busy month in general, but yes, on Discord in particular, a lot of new things. We reached the 5K mark, like Josh mentioned, added some new events to our repertoire, and a lot of funny moments along the way.
Yep. Okay, so we decided we were going to do monthly awards / highlights.
Because you want to be a part of the Discord community. That's where the action is.
I love just the hard cut to look. Here's your award.
Yep.
Killing it today.
I'm just kidding.
You know what, Drew? You've had a rough morning. It's all right.
It is all right. Can I just say, it has been a week, people. It's been a week.
All right. Okay. So we got categories for this,
Yeah, we
right?
got categories.
Are we?
I don't know.
Maybe?
All right, here we go. All right. Welcome to the monthly PDQ Discord Awards. Our categories are cutest pet, the snarkiest, and most helpful. And our cutest pet nominees: a cat,
A cat.
couple other cats,
Two cats. Two.
and a dog and a hat. Would have been better, a cat and a hat.
Micah, you're in the chat, right? I think I saw Micah.
Yeah, he's here.
I'm pretty sure that Micah duct taped that cat to that perfectly framed shot. He like had to get the cat, and he's like, "You're gonna be here for this like perfect shot." Someone's just gonna duct tape you to the thing.
Glad it was tape and not a staple.
I really don't think you can make a cat do anything it doesn't want to do, but I don't know.
Exactly.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh,
No,
they're
that
cute,
cat
though.
has learned to torment Micah.
Yeah. Just so that we sit there and just like pounce on the escape key.
Yeah.
All right, are we ready for a winner?
Yes. Yes.
And the winner is... I don't know. Where's the winner? Oh, there we go.
Oh,
A dog and a hat.
you know those ears are
Better than a
so
cat in a hat.
soft. I want to touch those ears so bad.
Are we giving people
Yes.
Yes, we have fabulous major awards.
major?
Look at that. That's a major award.
Look.
Flop those ears.
Drew made special awards for this. Look how cute those are. I don't know if you can read it. It says Discord Award, Cutest Pet, February 2025. Plus, we're going to give you some swag.
We're going to give you some other things.
We got some
huge.
other things. It's huge. Look at it.
We're just conserving material so we can do like years and years worth of awards. I just wanted to say
that is the cutest thing ever. Look at that thing. Oh, I love it.
When we send this, we should actually like make one that's like 3 feet in diameter. Like we show this and send one that's
Yeah,
huge.
I mean,
huge.
you guys, I am not above stealing stuff from the building. I'm telling you. I told Kelly that. I'm like, I will steal stuff if we're not going to send out swag. I'll take stuff from Josh's desk, you guys. Just kidding.
No.
You'll never know.
I probably wouldn't.
Okay, next.
All right. Moving on to the most helpful. The nominees are Gackamore, Rave Chihuahua, wah, wah, and Cody P. And the winner is Gackamore.
Oh,
And I guess this is what his stuff was. Andrew?
Yeah. So he wrote a fantastic script to install SolidWorks. Really extensive. Gackamore is a friend. I actually got to meet him at a conference. He's been on Discord for a super long time. He's like one of the higher level people out there when it comes to PowerShell and using our products. So it's really cool that he put this together and shared it in the community. I definitely recommend you get into the PowerShell scripting channel to find this script. And if you ever need help with any of your scripts, that's a great place to go.
That is the beauty. You can get so much help in that Discord. It's truly amazing.
Mm-hmm.
We had so many to choose from too, Andrew. There was just a ton this month.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have the award
Oh,
that you're playing with now? It's a fidget toy.
oh,
now.
sorry. This was. They're actually for like the category.
Yes.
I thought they were just like generic.
No,
This
they're
is
specific.
The most
Oh, I have
wholesome is right
Snarky.
here.
I have Snarky, so I have this one.
Okay.
So who's in the running for
Snarky?
Snarkiest?
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, for Snarkiest, our nominees are Sir Ginger, Gregory Martin, Alex N., and Bammit.
Can I just jump in and say that I love for all of the other categories, there's only like a couple like people, but then you get into like who's can be like the biggest like half jerk to everybody else, and it's like there's just a running list.
You guys, by the way, we have a whole document that I keep track. Andrew and I share that we are having little snippets. There's so many snarky comments. It's hilarious.
Lots of screenshots.
Lots of screenshots.
We might need to like separate this into like subcategories. Is it snarkiest? Is it passive aggressive? Is it
Ooh.
aggressive?
There was one that made
love
Andrew
those.
spit out his coffee during a meeting.
Oh yeah, Sir Ginger. Yeah.
Okay, and the winner is Gregory Martin.
Yes. Oh, this one was
All right,
funny.
what is it? Oh, jeez.
Can you read it, Kelly? Because I can't see it.
All right, it's a 100% accurate picture of a C++ programmer. Time to write UI in C++. That's beautiful.
Sheesh.
Couple other things. I managed to get my whole family on 24-hour time, and it's been great ever since. Even my 6-year-old uses it. It bothers his teacher. I love that. And 100%. My dad was in the Marines, and he used it with me when I was young. My oldest sister married a guy from London, and he uses it exclusively. Calls us psychotic for cutting days in half.
Oh, I thought
Beautiful.
I liked his RAM one. I thought we were doing his RAM one. That was my favorite one.
Well, there's this.
Ooh, sports ball.
Sports
Downloading.
ball.
Go Birds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's not every day
events.
someone goes to the Super Bowl. Alex went to the Super Bowl.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Well done.
He's an orange.
I hope he broke some laws while he was there, Alex. Did you? I hope you did. You gotta.
I mean,
you
he was
gotta.
an orange. He
I mean,
climbed a building.
yeah, he climbed a building. So, I mean, yeah.
Oh my gosh. There's so many events.
Yeah. What do we have, Andrew, as far as events go?
Holy guacamole. I'm so glad you asked, Kelly. A whole bunch. So yesterday, we actually had a webinar, a great showdown between Tara and I, and we had the chat in Discord, and oh my goodness, it was insane. But we've also had PowerShell Wednesdays. That's every single Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern, noon Mountain Time. We have 30 minutes or more of PowerShell discussion, cover advanced topics, cover beginner topics, new speaker every single week. And we've added the Tuesday Lumen Showcase, where we explore what's happened in Severance. If you're into that, let me know. Message me on Discord. I'll give you the severed role, and you can join our secret channel where we discuss all the theories. But yeah, did I miss anything, Tara? Any other events?
No, or if you want to do a different event, we're all ears. If you
Yes,
have
we
something
are.
else that you want to do, should we have a dog talk?
A dog talk.
Dog talk.
No.
I like the
No.
sysadmin
Kelly just said no.
support sessions.
What is it, like sysadmin group therapy?
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Tell
So
me
we're group
how.
therapy. It could be more
Yeah.
talky, or it could be like, hey, maybe we're gonna kind of help each other actually work on some challenging things, but probably more ticky-tacky, you know.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
You know what I think is really funny, and that I'm not saying this because I need it to change. I just think it's cute and funny. It's usually Andrew and I with our cameras on and everyone else camera off, not speaking, chatting in the chat. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I
yeah.
think we got a lot of lurkers. You know?
Yeah.
It's all right.
No. Mm-mm. Not me.
No, definitely
Nope,
not
not me.
Josh. No.
Nope, not me. All righty. Speaking of, okay, so Discord, huge community.
Yes.
Right? Huge way to get help. There's so many other places to go get help, especially if you're new to PDQ products, right? They can do so much.
Mhm.
And you can configure yourself into a corner. Right?
Yes.
It's the beauty of a lot of the products is like, you can just, here's your toys, here's your sandbox, go do what you want to do.
Mhm.
But sometimes your sandbox can be a mess. So
Yes.
when you need help, there's a bunch of places to go get help. The first one is pdq.com/help center, right? This is the first place you can go, and it's product specific, right? So maybe I have simple MDM questions or deploying inventory. And when you click on these things, you're taken directly to the product specific one. So here's connects, right? Maybe you want to see documentation. Maybe you want to just get the release notes. Maybe you want to like get to the very nitty gritty troubleshooting. All of that's over there on the left, and you can run through all of the stuff here from the beginning. And the search works really, really well. But they exist for each product, so that when you're searching, you're not getting results for, oh no, I needed to do this, but it's showing me how to do it in deploy an inventory, not connect. Or it's specifically for simple MDM. Let's just get into the simple MDM one. So that's your documentation and knowledge base articles. So these are written very specifically by the solutions folks at PDQ. So they're sysadmins writing this for other sysadmins on how to use the product.
Yeah. And I think you should just click on those and follow the cookie trail and then call Josh and just ask him a billion questions, because that's what I do a lot.
Yeah.
He loves it.
Yeah, I love
It's
it.
his favorite.
Yeah.
I can actually tell you this from experience. They can answer anything in those guides. Huh.
Yeah.
I did it this week, didn't I?
Like, here's how a lot of these knowledge base articles get created, right? Is you take a big patch out of like, all right, here's what's going to happen. And then somebody writes in with a support ticket that's gnarly.
Yes.
You're like, this is cool. And then someone will turn it into a knowledge base article.
Yeah, that's true.
So chances are you're not the first person running into the problem.
Yep.
And if you are, you're going to become a knowledge base article.
I totally agree.
Congrats. It's like a little like, I win. I'm a knowledge base article now.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, next up.
Next up, maybe you want to explore the package library, right? Maybe you're brand new. Here in the Help Center is the package library page where you can go and you can scroll through it. You can see what packages are available for which platform, how they work. If you click on one of them, it'll tell you all the details about it. Because sometimes if you're in product, it's not like the easiest to read. But here, it's a web browser. Everyone's in a web browser all the time. Boom, you're into it.
Did you see how long it took me to scroll all the way down to the bottom? I mean, my gosh, that is a massive package library. Look at that. Look at that.
I just want to say huge.
No, yet.
Huge.
Okay.
It's huge. Look at that.
It's like an orange on a toothpick.
It's like an orange on a toothpick.
All right. Okay. So that covers very product specific, right?
Yep.
We're all sysadmins here. We also write content that is around our product, with our product, and just in general. The blog is not only about like the industry, it's about how to do stuff.
Yeah.
It's about how to do stuff with our products, without our products. It's just generally here, keep up on all things sysadmin.
Yeah, I see Patch Tuesdays. I see General IT.
Yeah, State of Sysadmin. Like it's from all kinds of writers with different perspectives. Right? I've got a handful of articles in there. I think you do. Brock does. Like there's all kinds of stuff in there.
I even have 2.
Do you?
You do?
I do.
Everyone go search Kelly's right now. Let's read it.
There's a handful of Easter eggs in my bio.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to go read yours today.
In my bio here on this blog. And it was me being a little bit snarky and no one really picked up on it and it got published. So
You're snarky in yours? Oh my gosh, I'm going to find them later.
Yeah. All right. Finally,
Okay.
the last 2. We've been talking about Discord. Discord's great. You can go in here and you can get help for anything. There's so many helpful people here, and they're like here in the chat too, right? At YouTube. It's the same people.
Yeah.
Finally, if you're the type of person that likes to watch, or heaven forbid, you don't hate the sound of my voice or Tara's voice.
Yeah.
Our YouTube channel, right? You can come watch and relive this again. Or you can go watch some of these pre-records, right? Where it's here's how you get through a product. Here's how you do something and you get to watch it. They're best practices. They're fun. They're engaging.
Everybody learns differently. Some people like video. Some people like written.
And there's also playlists that are set up. So if you need, the step-by-step getting started type of guides, those are in playlists. They'll walk you through everything. We also have channels for our other products as well. Little sneak peek. A lot of the SmartDeploy stuff, the newer content that we'll be creating will be living on the PDQ channel. We're just going to try and consolidate things, make it a little bit easier for everyone to find. So yeah.
Cool. All right. That's your 30-second tour of where to get help. It was more than 30 seconds.
I love
It
it.
was a lot more than 30 seconds.
Yeah, but I liked it. It was helpful.
That's how you get help.
Okay.
So should we talk about some IT horror stories?
Let's have fun.
Yeah, it's time for some fun, right? So everybody, well, not everybody, most people are familiar with the concept of a 2-sentence horror story, right? It's a setup and a delivery. We thought it would be fun to do it from an IT perspective. So we asked internally and externally, and here's what we've got. Here's from chat. We've already made the decision and purchased this new software.
Uh-oh. Hang on.
Oh.
It's going to move. There we go.
It went too fast.
Oh,
It went too fast. Hang on.
it's
Okay.
too fast.
Let me back it up.
That's it,
There
that's
we
it.
go.
I had the setup and everything, but we need
Man.
to deploy and maintain it going forward.
Who hasn't heard that in their career?
Always.
Sales, I'm looking at you right now.
All right, it's Friday afternoon, and a user just installed an innocent-looking application. I learned the hard way what a mute means. Brock, I hope that wasn't for real, but if it was, that's amazing.
Okay. Okay.
All righty. What do we got next? Oh.
Mike. Oh no. Look, we were told we had
Hang
to
on.
use Big Fix to replace PDQ. Oh, I'm sorry, Mike.
That could be
Ouch.
just like the first one. Right?
Oh.
We wrote this software. It's your responsibility now. Also, quickly coupled with it works on my machine.
Yeah.
Now, those two sentences seem to go like hand in hand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I like that one. Okay.
What other ones do we have in
Okay,
here?
there's one.
Oh, all right. You get this one.
Boss says we're not renewing deploying inventory
Woof.
because we're moving to Connect instead. Don't worry. Oh, okay.
Wholesome.
Oh, Alex. That sounds like something Alex would say. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh.
So wholesome.
Okay. I like that one. July 17th, 2024, we have updated CrowdStrike on all of our systems.
Ugh. Jeez Louise.
July 18th, 2024, we have blue screens of death on all of our systems.
Like, is
Oh,
that just going to
gosh.
forever be like a date that lives in infamy?
I think so. I think
Is
so.
that just one of those
yes.
ones that is just burned into it?
We just have to
Yes.
celebrate that every year on, it's like an anniversary,
Yeah.
you know?
And for CrowdStrike, there's no such thing as, bad press, right?
Oh, Josh, this is your favorite. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. I love this one. All right. Update. Users set email. Hello@email.com. Semicolon. Okay. Key point here. Semicolon. Where IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I chuckled at this one. The three other people in here looked at me like, "Is this funny? Is this funny?" But yes, this is funny. Laugh. Insert forced laugh here.
I need a break. I am leaving Discord for some personal time. That was Marcel. Nah, I'm just kidding. You won't get rid of me so
Marcel,
quick.
you're like the gift that keeps on giving.
He did say that this week, and I was like, you scared me. That was true.
Maybe we should get him on payroll at some point.
Everyone
But
thinks
he's
he
doing
works
it for
here.
free,
I mean, they
so.
think he works here, so. Okay, you go ahead.
Oh, so we need to cut costs in your department. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Who hasn't heard that? So I'm moving the retirement date of your director and hiring an MSP. Woof.
Cold.
Woof.
I mean, if Marcel is the MSP, okay.
Hey,
But I mean, yeah,
that
that's
hurts.
they
That
always
just
do
hurts.
that.
Yeah. It'll happen.
I should say actually. Sorry, go ahead.
Tell me-
Consultant.
Yeah, consultant.
That's
Tell me how many times that you've been in IT and the first thing, like you walk in the door, you go to get your coffee and someone just says, "Good morning." And then there's a pause.
I'm gonna
There
bite
you
you.
go. The internet isn't working.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean.
It was this week.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah. it was
You were
this week.
home.
Yeah, it was at home, but it was the same thing. Like I got a message from Alicia that says, "Good morning." Return. First message. Second message. The internet isn't working. Period. Like, huh.
Oh no, but you missed out the best part.
Cool.
Can I tell you the rest of the story though? You want to hear the rest?
Yeah.
I walk in and Kelly. I walk to my desk and Kelly tells me the same thing, and I said, "Did you guys do a ticket?" That's what I said, Kelly. It's true. And he goes, "How?" I said, "With your phone." And so then I walk over to Alicia, and someone's trying to help Alicia with her computer. I'm like, "Did you guys tell Jake?" So I walk upstairs and I'm like, "Jake, the internet's down." He goes, "No, it's not," because it's up on 3. By the way, it's just down on 2.
Oh, cool.
No one had told Jake,
Yeah.
the one
That
person in
tracks.
the building
That could fix it
that
at the
could
time.
fix it at the time.
Yeah.
That was my favorite part about the whole
tracks.
story that I
Well,
thought you'd enjoy.
Let me back that up. He wasn't here when I got here.
That's probably true.
So
That's probably
Yeah.
true. But you had already texted. You were literally texting Jake as I walk up to his desk to tell him.
Yeah.
That. But I thought that's classic IT right there.
Yeah, that is.
Classic IT.
Yeah. I think, okay, the other setup that is my favorite so far is just the "good morning. How are you?" Tell me how many, like, that just like inspires fear. Like, no one ever asks just "how are you?"
I'm surprised
because
they
it's
said,
the
"How
third
are you?"
sentence.
Yeah.
It's the third sentence that's the scary one. It's the
Yeah.
one that's not
That's
there.
true.
Yeah. I clicked the copy button before pasting the PowerShell command into my terminal. Oh. I barely had a chance to set the appended base64 to. Oh, geez. Nice. I love that.
Ouch, that hurts me a lot to read.
it causes
That was
you
good.
pain. Yeah.
IP config release. Oops.
Oops.
Oh. Yeah. On a remote system, you're just like,
And done. Hey, it says we should just try this right now. Should we? Try McAfee right now.
no.
Okay, go ahead. They fired a domain admin before disabling his access, and why not? What could possibly go wrong?
Everyone always thinks that they'll do something. I've never seen anyone actually do something, though.
Ever?
Mm-mm.
Huh, interesting.
I would want to see it, though. I think it'd be fun. It'd be a fun, like, train wreck.
Okay.
Yeah. I tell users not to write their passwords on Post-it notes, especially near their computers. On the whiteboard, I see domain admin. Look,
my God.
you have to be specific. Specific instructions. It's okay. Let's just restore the production server from backup. File not found.
Oh my God.
Have you ever had that happen?
No.
I have. That's
You
great.
have?
Huh?
Oh, that last one actually really was terrifying.
Jeez Louise. Alrighty.
That
That was fun.
was actually fun. I like that one.
Yeah. Alrighty.
That was
Well,
terrifying.
thanks for joining us, everybody. This has been a fun week. And if you're not in Discord, join the Discord. I can't believe it's still over 5,000 users. That's 5,000 people that can help. Right?
Getting close to 6,000, yeah.
Getting close to 6. Alrighty. For PDQ, Josh.
I'm Tara.
Thanks for joining our webcast today. Do us a couple favors if you wouldn't mind. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That makes us happy. And leave us your comments. And as Josh and Tara have both mentioned, join us on Discord, my friends. That's where the fun just continues. Have a fantastic week. We'll see you back here next time. Bye-bye.